If your ML350 is struggling to start, losing power, or stalling unexpectedly, you might be dealing with fuel pump failure. Today I'll show you the clear signs, how to diagnose it, and the real repair cost so you don't get overcharged. A failing fuel pump doesn't just shut the engine off. It slowly affects performance, fuel efficiency, and reliability. The good news? The symptoms are predictable, and once you know them, the diagnosis becomes easy. These are the top symptoms your ML350 fuel pump is going bad. Long cranking before the engine starts, engine stalls during driving, loss of power, especially on acceleration, jerking or hesitation at high speed, whining sound coming from the fuel tank. Car refuses to start when hot, poor fuel efficiency. Misfires related to fuel supply. If you see more than 2 of these symptoms, the fuel pump should be inspected immediately. Here are the top causes of fuel pump failure in the ML350. Dirty fuel or clogged fuel filter, running the vehicle on low fuel, constantly faulty fuel pressure regulator, bad fuel pump relay, or electrical fault, heat buildup inside the pump, where from high mileage. Most failures come from low fuel pressure and overheating inside the tank. Before replacing anything, test the system using these steps. When you turn the key, you should hear a soft buzzing from the tank. No sound means no fuel pump activation. Use a gauge to confirm pressure. Low pressure means the pump or filter is restricted. A simple relay failure can mimic pump failure. A clogged filter makes the pump work harder and eventually fail. Look for lean codes or low fuel pressure codes. Loose connections or burnt pins cause intermittent pump failure. Half the time, owners replace pumps when the real problem was the relay or filter. Before buying a new pump, try these inexpensive solutions. Replace the fuel filter, replace pump relay, clean electrical connectors. Add fuel system cleaner to remove buildup, avoid driving on low fuel. These steps can revive a weak pump or prevent complete failure. If the pump pressure is consistently low or the vehicle refuses to start even with spark and good battery voltage, the pump is done. No priming sound, zero fuel pressure, engine stalls immediately after starting, pump overheats and shuts off randomly. At this point, replacement is the only real solution. Here's what you should expect to pay. Fuel filter, low-cost fuel pump relay, low-cost fuel pump assembly, medium to high-cost labor cost, medium full fuel system cleaning, optional in most regions. Replacing the complete pump assembly is the safest option and eliminates future failure. If your ML350 is showing signs of fuel pump failure, use this guide to diagnose it correctly and avoid unnecessary expenses. Drop your symptoms in the comments, and I'll help you figure out the exact issue. Subscribe for more ML350 troubleshooting and DIY repair videos.